Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Godsent and today we'll learn how to use the vanishing point filter inside of Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's jump right in. So I have my image opened inside of Photoshop, and the first thing I'm going to do is to add my text layer. So you can just type anything you want. I am going to type subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this. So back to the tutorial. So after typing the text, the next thing we're going to do is to create a new layer. So you can come down here and add a new layer. So this is the layer where we are going to apply the vanishing point filter on. So what we're going to do is to select the pixels of our text layer. You can do that in two ways. You can right click on this thumbnail and go to select pixels, but you can use the shortcut. There is a shortcut for that. Let me deselect. If you hold Control on your keyboard and click on the thumbnail, it's just going to select the pixels of the text layer. It's as simple as that. So what we're going to do is to copy these pixels. You can just do Control C on your keyboard to copy the pixels, and then you can deselect with Control D, and then you can turn off the text layer because we're not going to need it right now. So let's select the new layer we created and go to filter and then down to vanishing point filter. So with this tool active, we're going to create the plane where we're going to add the text. So you can just click and make the points. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to see this perspective grid lines, and then you can paste your text. So by the way, this doesn't work only on text. You can do it with images and logos and a lot of stuff. So but I'm just using text for this tutorial. You can use your logo, you can use any image you want. So let's paste this with Control V, and then I'll drag this inside here. So if you want to make some adjustments, you can go down to the transform tool, and then you can move the transform points how you want. You can scale it. You can hold shift so that it maintains the size, or you can just move it anyhow you want. And once you're satisfied with that, you can just click OK. And now this looks so nice. So but let's take it a little bit higher. So if you double click on your layer, you're going to see blending options. So under blending options, you will see what is called blend if. So this will help us blend our text with the underlying layer. So we're just going to come under this underlying layer, and if you move the black this slider towards the right, you see that it's trying to blend our text with the dark parts of the image. So but it's giving us some very harsh results, but we can fix that. So let's hold Alt on the keyboard and click this slider. It's going to split it into two, and we'll just move one part towards the right, and it's just going to blend it softly. Yeah, just give us some very soft blending right there. So once you're satisfied with the results, you can just click OK, and that's it. So if you zoom in, you can now see how amazing this looks. Yes, so you can, like I said earlier, you can do this with logos, with images, or whatever you want to use it for. You can have a road that has this perspective thing, and then you can add your text. I think I should have that kind of thing. Let me see. Yeah, exactly what I'm talking about. So this kind of image You can draw your points like this and then add whatever you want to add. So you can use it for anything at all. You can even use it to create mockups. Yes, you can use it for mockups and stuff. So this is just an amazing filter you want to try. So ensure you try it out today. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments and we'll respond as quickly as possible. Thank you and God bless you.